ULTIMEA Skywave F40 5.1.2 channel Dolby Atmos surround soundbar, video content. Unboxing. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside you'll find the user manual, 2 surround speakers, the accessories box, ULTIMEA Skywave F40 soundbar in 2 separate boxes and subwoofer. We provide all cables for you, no need to buy them separately. Now, let's assemble the soundbar. First, align the joints of the 2 parts and twist to connect. Plug the power cord into the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. Then connect the subwoofer. Plug the RCA terminal of the cable behind the subwoofer into the sub-out port of the soundbar. Next, connect the surround speakers. Plug in the right rear speaker's power cable. Use the surround cable to connect the right rear speaker and the left rear speaker. Note, the right rear speaker has been paired with the soundbar by factory. If there is no sound coming from the surround speakers, you need to repair the soundbar with the right rear speaker. The method for repair will be explained later in this video. Alright. It's time to connect your TV. There are 3 ways to connection for TV. Firstly, connect to your TV via HDMI ARC output. Find the HDMI ARC cable. ARC/eARC is preferred if your TV has an ARC/eARC output, and HDMI IN ports are not supported. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's ARC/eARC output port. Then plug the other end into the HDMI. And connect the power cord to the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. Use the remote control to switch the soundbar mode to eARC by pressing the eARC button. The soundbar's LED will show eARC. Select eARC mode in your TV settings. When HDMI ARC is connected, CEC function supported. The TV's remote control can control the soundbar and TV simultaneously. 1. Turn on or off. 2. Adjust the volume. Try turn on your TV and soundbar with the TV remote at the same time. Then, try the volume adjustment. Easy and fast, right? Finally, close with one click. Secondly, we show the optical connection. Find the digital optical cable. Remove the protective cap from both ends. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Then insert the other end into the optical port on the back of the soundbar. And connect the power cord to the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. Switch the mode of the soundbar to OPT via the remote control OPT button. The soundbar's LED will display OPT. Select optical mode in your TV settings. You can connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Press the BT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mention Bluetooth pairing tone. Then turn on your phone's Bluetooth, search and connect with device Skywave F40. When you hear Bluetooth connect tone, the Bluetooth connection is successful. Also, if your TV supports Bluetooth output, you can connect the soundbar wirelessly. Press the BT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mention Bluetooth pairing tone. Turn on the TV's Bluetooth in settings, search and connect Skywave F40. When you hear Bluetooth connect tone, the Bluetooth connection is successful. You've learned how to connect HDMI, optical, and Bluetooth with the soundbar. Still no sound? Don't worry. First check your surround speaker link. If it not paired, you can repair it manually. Step 1. Press and hold the surround button on the remote control for 5 seconds. The display screen will show SUR and flash. Step 2. Press and hold the pair button on the rear right surround for 5 seconds. The indicator light will flash quickly. After successful pairing, the indicator light will remain steady. Different TVs may have different setup steps. Normally as below: settings, sound, digital audio format, auto/pass-through/PCM. You already know the basic connections. Another big surprise for the ULTIMEA Skywave F40, this soundbar can be controlled via the ULTIMEA Smart app. Now, we'll help you set up a system. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us.